Okay, where do I begin? Give me a minute, because this is about to be a motherfucking rant. Okay. So I ordered the hair because I saw a bunch of different YouTubers reviewing the hair. And you know, that's where you go for reviews and, you know, y'all know, because that's why you're here. So a bunch of the different people reviewing wigs from premiumlacewig.com, and I was like, you know what, I'm tired of making my own wigs. Let me just go get me a frontal wig and call it a day. Boom. It was cheap. Well, not cheap. It was like a decent price. So I got a 22-inch straight Brazilian straight wig. This is supposed to be Brazilian straight. This looks more like Brazilian body wave to me, but you know, what do I know? What do I know? So anyway, I was supposed to be getting a 22-inch Brazilian straight 360 frontal wig. The cap size I got was small, which is for 21-inch heads. This is like a 25-inch, because I have a 21-inch head and this shit is like hanging off at the back. Okay. So right off the bat, I saw it and I'm like, okay, like it was straight, but then I'm like, the ends look kind of, wasn't really feeling them, but I was like, whatever, we can work with this, you know, put some bio silk at the ends and call it a day, right? Because that's what we do, we improvise. Okay, so I wash it and I'm like, wait a minute, this ain't straight hair at all. Like, when I tell you, it was like some popping ass body wave. So I'm like, all right, whatever, I'm gonna work with it, because I'm a body wave kind of girl, and I was just like, you know, let me do straight to switch it up, because I want it to be cute. So that was that. So I'm installing it. I actually filmed a whole video installing it and everything, but I forgot to do my eyebrows and it wasn't uploaded to my computer, so I was just like, oh no, I'm not doing that because I look crazy, you know. No. So I'm like playing with the hair and I'm washing it and it's like shedding a little bit. So I'm like, maybe it's the frontal that's shedding, I don't know, like hopefully it is, and you know, it's gonna get itself together after I get it together. No, y'all see this? I just washed it. Like, ooh, that kind of hurt me. This shit is, do you see this?
It's a fucking joke.
Okay, it looks cute, you know, the aesthetic is cute. Let me show y'all. I'm sorry, I'm looking at myself. I just figured out that I could use my Canon camera and see myself on my motherfucking computer screen. So this is gonna be way easier and way more fun to film videos now. Yay. But yo, it looks cute, right? It's not cute. This is not it. This ain't it. This ain't it. It sheds like a motherfucker. Like, it tangles like a motherfucker. I don't know if y'all can see this. Can y'all see this shit? Like, no. It's not okay. I went to my boyfriend's house and I'm like, he's like, yo, every time you come over here with this fucking wig on, I gotta be cleaning up hair after you. And I'm like, but I cleaned it already. That shit just leaves hair everywhere, like trails everywhere. Okay, I'm sick of it. Sick of it. Like, it gets like, I had to put this shit in the microwave first of all for it to look like this. I had to put this shit in the microwave for 2 minutes with half a bottle of freaking Tresemme conditioner on this bitch for it to look like this. Like, I put it, it's just no. I can't. I'm like, I was so excited, like, you know, the price, it was $170 or $190, I can't remember because it was like a month ago or 2 months ago, excuse me, because I got this before Christmas. Like, it was like $170 or $190, one of the two. And I was excited to get the wig in because I'm like, I don't have to make my own wig. I can just, pop this bitch on because I started working out. I'm trying to lose some weight. This is trying to be cute for the summer. I gotta stop being a bird. I have to. Wow. Okay, so I'm trying to be cute for the summertime. Like, nobody want to be walking around with their hair looking matted and dry and no. Like, no. This is just, I'm so disappointed because I was like, I had high hopes because I saw so many different reviews. Everyone was saying the hair was like so good, so this, so that. Like, don't get me wrong, it's workable, which is why I'm working with it, but I have to do too much. Like, I have to brush this shit out like every 2 hours, or else it's gonna be like mad stiff and like it'll be like this, like not moving, just wrong, like on so many different levels, and I can't be doing that, okay? I can't be doing that. I gotta look to uphold, okay? All right? I got a reputation to protect. I can't, like, when it's straight, oh, let me not tell y'all about when it's straight. So I straighten the shit. You gotta keep it like this. You gotta keep it in this natural situation. Like flexi rods, no, because I put some flexi rods in it, and after a while, like the curl started to mat. Like it was still in a curl, but the curl was like matted, like a tangled curl. I was just like, what the fuck is this? Like, this has to be a joke. Like, it has to be a joke. And I'm like sitting to myself like, I'm dumb because like I have the plug. I have the most popping vendor in the motherfucking world. Like, the most popping vendor in the world. Like, the plug. And I'm not going, like, I'm going other places to get hair. Just because I want to try out different vendors. Like, try out different things. You know, because I'm like, I've always been the person to be like, oh, I should start selling hair. I should sell hair. Like, I used to sell hair to my friends and, like, people that would come to get their hair done by me. I would sell them hair from my vendor, and I would always get repeat customers. Why am I not selling hair? Why do I not have a hair company? Guarantee you my next video about to be about my hair company because I'm tired of this. I can't. Nope. So yeah, I just had an epiphany. I need to go to Tiffany's. This is about to start a hair company. Okay, we planned that together right on YouTube. Okay, starting a hair company. That's it. I can't. This is not gonna work for me. So yeah, y'all, don't. I had to put this shit in the microwave. Why? Okay, I had to put this shit in the motherfucking microwave, and that's not okay. That's not alright. Like, why? Just anyway, I don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. It's not okay. I don't know about their other textures, but they're straight. The straight texture is not it. It doesn't. No. I would just avoid this at all costs. You know, I will come back with another video about some other hair. 9 times out of 10 is gonna be hair that I'm gonna start selling because it's just that lit. So yeah, don't. premiumlacewig.com. I tried. You know, I even sent the link to other people like, y'all should try this hair because this, you know, I've been seeing a bunch of videos on YouTube how cute it is, how nice it is, and blah blah blah. No, don't do it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Give me a Millie sturdy. My Millie rock is dead, not sturdy, and I'm from New York. So anyway, if you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, like, follow me on Insta, Different Type of Dope. Follow me on Snap, Different Type of Dope. Follow me on Twitter, Diff Type of Dope. I will link all that down there. And I'll put all the details and specs on this hair in the description bar if you're still interested. But, you know, whatever. Do your thing. Yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video.